Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to download ChatGPT application in your iPhone, because this application currently launched in US country, so other country how to get it. So keep watching this video until that. Open App Store application and search here ChatGPT. Here guys, I am from Pakistan, but ChatGPT application available on my App Store. You can see appears on screen. This application officially not available in Pakistan, but showing on my App Store. And here guys, if you want to download, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, first of all, open App Store application here guys, and open App Store and go back from here. Tap on profile icon. Here guys, simply tap on Apple ID. Here guys, if you want to download the ChatGPT application on your iPhone but not showing on your App Store, simply change country or region, and you can select your country from App Store of United States. Guys, if you don't know how to change country on App Store, so keep watching my previous video and video link in description. After change the country from App Store, you can download your ChatGPT application on your App Store. Here guys, I hope like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.